Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we are transforming normal photos into the viral GTA 6 art style. We will use the ChatGPT app and just one simple prompt to achieve this professional look. Make sure to watch the full video to see how it's done. First, open the ChatGPT app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom and select Create Image. Then, tap the plus icon again to open your gallery and upload your photo. Second, after your photo is uploaded, paste the specific prompt into the chat box. I will show you where to copy this prompt later in the video. After you paste the text, just press the arrow button and wait a few moments for the AI to generate your image. When the process is complete, you will see a high-quality photo with the perfect GTA 6 effect. Simply tap on the image and save it to your device. You can copy the complete prompt from the video description below. Please leave your feedback or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.